Look at this.
It's a bit bright, isn't it?
It is very bright.
Unbelievable change.
So, might not look much because it's like really bright day today, but we've got LEDs fitted and it makes a world of difference.
I think the best way to describe it is it stays like this all the time.
Yeah. $7,200 lumen. We've got 10 of these going up. This was the only light we had in the whole workshop. This one thing. Scaffolding tower, Jack's up there, right Jack?
Your lights!
And hopefully the space is gonna be brighter because it was getting really dark and it was annoying me. All right, this is how dark it is. Flip that switch.
Wowee.
Jeez.
That's right, isn't it?
No, it's pitch black outside. Normally it's pitch black in here when we do this.
Yeah.
So this is what Jack actually does for a living. And he's done it very well.
Yeah.
If anyone asks why we've missed a beam there, they've got to figure it out.
There is a reason.
Yep.
And I want to hear them reasons.
Yeah, same. Fantastic work, Jack.
Thank you.
That's it. We've got a unit upgrade. We've got LED lights just in time for the clocks going back, and it's actually never dark anymore.
I know.
Mint.
Stupid.
Yep. But they're there, and if we ever want to work on cars at night, then it's just way brighter in here. What is the plan today?
Work on the Defender.
We've got loads of little bits to do today.
Loads of stuff.
Yeah.
It's going to be great fun. Can't wait.
You love working on the Defender.
Yeah, I love it.
You love getting muddy
Brilliant.
and rusty bolts.
Yeah, unreal.
Ah, got a challenge for you actually.
Go on.
Got a very big challenge. Right, first job. I don't know if you can tell. That wheel is straight. That one is poking off that way. My tracking is so bad. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
I've always seen it. It's terrible.
The tracking's been out ever since I've had it. I've tried to take it to get tracked and they couldn't do it because everything's seized. So that's what we're gonna do first.
Unseize.
Unseize. Andy is quite pro at unseizing stuck
I'm
things.
quite an unseizer.
You don't take no for an answer, do you?
Unseize a salad. Go on then, put it in.
Yeah, go up on the lift and I'll tell you when to stop.
Yeah, I'm trying to put these middle ones up.
This bar here, this one, that is your steering box. So we're not gonna touch that. And then this one at the back, this bar that we're working with here, is the tracking. And both sides are seized. So that is seized and that is seized. So what we're gonna try and do is take it off and get it on the bench. So this is the tracking bar. So what we're gonna do is just put one end in and tighten it, and then we've got leverage to try and undo the other side.
I reckon this little bar.
Spinning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Out.
Nice.
Reach that puppy up then, big boy.
That is the culprit, the seized culprit, or one of them anyway. So we're just gonna stick some grease on it and clean up the threads, make it all nice. Also, our end of winter sale is ending today. So you have like a few hours left. Go on the website down there, you can get like hoodies. The Wasp hoodie, we got the new embroidered hoodie. They're like luxe and like proper warm. We got t-shirts, hats, all that. So that ends tonight.
Tonight. So buy it all.
Oh yeah. How's it feel?
Unreal.
Nice. Let's do the other side. Well then.
Yep, she's gone.
Yep. Yeah. Lovely.
Couple of Caesar salads.
Uncaesar salads.
And Caesar salads.
Oh yeah. That looks about right.
Yeah. Blah, 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 blah.
Here's number 2. Numero dos. Oppo thread on that one.
There we go.
Right, nuts on the end.
Yeah.
And that should be ready to take for tracking. We're gonna go see Barfoot Tyres, old Jono,
Jono.
and we're gonna get this tracked. And then that's task 1 ticked off.
straight as a diamond there.
We've got Barswick tyres there in Gloucester, and then just over the road at the old log pond. The old log pond. There is a
Ramen shop, baby.
little ramen shop. Round here. Look at all this. That's one of the best. All these kimchi ones are good. That's good. That's a good one. They've got no mama shrimp noodles.
They're the best ones.
Good little haul.
Yeah. Couple things. Little mamas.
Look at that. They look amazing. Happy days. All tracked. So that was us before. 19 and 5, so we're in the red, and now we're 3 and 4 in the black. That's all we care about. But I reckon before we unseized it and did all that, I reckon that would have, that one must have been miles out.
I reckon, yeah, 1,000 at least.
Yeah, because it felt so mank. Now I've got a straight defender for the first time since I've ever bought it. Lovely. Straight. Oh yeah. Feels so much better. Straight as an arrow.
Ramen time, baby.
Ramen time, ram for lunch. Fancy a beer?
Yeah, got it.
Lunchtime Monday beers.
Twist my arm.
I got a fresh case at the back.
Oh, baby.
Let's have a look what we got from the boys at Beer 52. Snacks.
Couple snacks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
Hey, happy Monday.
Yeah.
Our friends down at Beer 52 are offering you guys a free case of beer. You get 10 free beers. There's 10 beers in here, and you get them for free.
Free 10 beers.
How many is that? 10.
How do I reckon they're free?
They're all from independent breweries. A load of them are Southwest. They're like kind of local to us, which is why we like this case. And that is a banging beer, so I'm gonna drink that. All you gotta do is go to beer52.com/BQR. Link is there. You could be having like a terrible day, and then if 10 beers show up at your doorstep,
Yeah, I'd be stoked.
yeah, it's gonna make your day better, isn't it?
Yeah.
All you gotta do is cover the $5.95 postage cost, and you'll get this case, you get like some snacks, you get a magazine in there which tells you all about all the breweries if you're into all that. If you don't like dark beers, you can select the light beer case, which is what I did. I'll put the website there, beer52.com/BQR. Claim 10 free beers, and then let me know what you think. DM me. If you get the beers and you like them, just let me know, because we love them.
Yeah. Good company. Great company.
Should we drink all 10 of these then?
Yeah.
Next job. Ooh. These things.
Mud flaps.
Mud flappers. But they're special. This all started because I've snapped a mudguard there. We were doing some off-road tracks and it snapped. There's a mud flap there and it snapped on the other side, right?
Correct.
Got a knife in your hand.
You can have a knife in your face in a minute.
Pop-tastic. Is this real?
Land Rover is actually such virgins.
Oi, look at that
my
though.
God.
I'd pay decent money for that.
Well, look, he's got like a weird cab on his.
That's a good setup though.
Yeah, brilliant.
You drive a fucking Colt.
You want a Colt.
Oh yeah, following on from the last video, the eBay video we did, Defender passed the MOT, no advisories on it.
Actually did, yeah.
Actually did. 0 advisories, and that wasn't even a friendly MOT. We are MOT'd, taxed, insured, road legal, ready.
Pull that plate off.
Yeah, I do really want to do that.
Snap.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh. So, down here, this is where your mud flap should go, and they hang like here. And this is your front outrigger. And there's like a hole here. And basically what happens is mud gets flung up there and it just sits on top of the chassis. And then over time that rots. You get loads of road salt on there and it just eats the steel chassis. We are basically solving that problem because these guards
Come with these puppies. So that will go up in there and you'll use those existing bolts. And that'll just block all that.
These also then bolt on, so you've got a bracket and a mud flap, and this bracket extends the mud flap out because Another problem, where the mud flap currently is, there, doesn't actually stop any mud getting flown up the door. And all this mud, especially when you've got bigger wheels and tires, it goes all into your door handle. Then this gets stuck because you get mud in it. So what we're gonna do is, those brackets I just showed you, move the mud flap from there to there. What do you reckon to that then, And?
Oh, I reckon it's brilliant. Brilliant idea.
Some genius Land Rover innovation there, isn't it?
Yeah, some 65-year-old single bloke has thought of this at home, isn't he?
I don't know if he's single, mind. I'm sure he's taking it if he comes up with ideas like this.
But he's just swimming in fanning.
That is tight, isn't it?
Yeah. So about there, like that.
We're lined up. That's actually pretty smart.
Yeah.
So shielded
Good fit.
and not shielded.
So, this has got to be mounted here like that. This attaches that to there, and the mud flap flips on there. So that'll be secured there, and then that one, and that one is the mud flap.
So we just got to get this lip of the...
This is what the kit tells us to do.
So we're just cutting off a bit of the arch. We've got one bolt on the mud flap now, this bolt, and then basically, because this whole bracketry can move up and down, we're just going to line this up so it's square, and then nut and bolt it.
There you go. Oh, that's nice.
That is nice. Like that?
Yeah, I do actually like that.
That's quite cool, isn't it?
Bit complicated, but it's worth it.
Yeah, it's fitted once and done, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that mud flap is way further out now. So it's going to stop mud flicking up the side. And then we got the protection there. So mint.
Good bit of kit.
It looks ugly, but you'll never see with the wheel on. And when it's covered in mud.
Sweet.
Do the other side. All right, that is this side done as well. Extended mud flaps and outrigger guards fitted. So that solves two problems. Before we forget, we're gonna do a giveaway. And this is Andy's hot dog tee. I'm covered in muck, so I don't wanna touch it. These are like 220 GSM, full cotton tees, they're pre-shrunk. Got Andy Jones' little tag there. These are fully like custom made tees. Proper nice and comfy.
Fully specced up.
So all you gotta do if you wanna win this t-shirt here is drop a comment down below. Go on bocca123.com, our website,
Yep.
and let us know your favorite product that we do at the moment. If you want us to make a specific product, comment down below, or just pick your favorite product. But that is our website. Go on that, pick a product, and we'll just pick a random winner to win this t-shirt.
Spot on.
Yeah, and that is the winner from last video. Well done. Right, you slut. So we're down and the wheels are on and you can see the mud flap sticks out a lot more. Kind of looks pretty cool. I'm kind of into that. The last job is to do with the interior and storage. Fun. Sounds fun. It is fun. We have this and this and maybe more. I can't remember what I bought, but this is a molly panel, which is like a grid system that's gonna go on the back window. And then I'm gonna hook stuff on it and then like bags, and then I can hook bags. And then I can store stuff in the bags that's gonna be hooked on the back of the molly panel, which is gonna go in the back of the Defender. So I need to turn that round. Just real quick as well, this is the first time I've worked in here sort of in the evening with the lights. I wanna show you the difference. So this is like with the lights, and this is basically what it was before. Having these lights has made a massive difference. I'm stoked. So we're gonna put the panel on this window. I don't have a rear view mirror anyway, so I can't see anything out the back. I just use my side mirrors. So I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right. We sort of do that. Basically, it's just like a grid system. I think this is like a military system. It's like M-O-L-L-E. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Oh, I see. Got like the straps like that through the hole. And then just use a little popper. Pop. Done. And then I'm going to put this like edging tape around the back just so it doesn't scratch metal. Yeah, that's a cool looking panel. And we just screw it on. We've got the hardware and a plastic washer, so we've got a little Torx head. And we got these black cover caps. Oh, look at that storage! What are you gonna do with all this? I think I'm basically just gonna put stuff here that I just use all the time. So yeah, cutlery, like olive oil, stuff for cooking. This is like a grid system, so you can hook stuff on there, but then also the bags themselves have hooks. So you can attach stuff to that, like the bag, and then you can attach a bag to the bag, and then a bag to that bag to that bag. But basically it's like a super handy little pouch panel. All right, quick little video. 3 things ticked off. That tracking thing has been annoying me for ages, so I'm glad we got that done. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was just a few little bits and bobs, but bits and bobs that had to be done. Don't forget, you have probably a few hours left before the sale ends. So if you want to grab anything from the sale, then the website is down there. Shout out to Beer52 for sponsoring this video and sending me loads of beer. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Drop a comment. Goodbye.